I work with Joseph Buloff. That was at the Volksbühne. I was in Yoshke Muzikant, and I played Shana. It was a beautiful role. I played a woman that I fall in love with this man, and he leaves me pregnant, you know, and I want him to come back. So Joseph, he knows how to write. A very famous scene, and that is when he writes a letter for me to my boyfriend that he should come home to me. It's a beautiful, beautiful play, Yoshke Muzikant.
Is this a drama or a comedy, a musical? Or?
It was made a musical because I'm a singer, so I'm basically a singer, lyrics prana. So they put music to it, but it's a drama, and he's such a fine performer. And of course, as we were talking earlier, he was the first Aliakim in Oklahoma, and of course he went on to do the Pocket Watch.